Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 about doing something with object styles. Now, we showed in part 1 where you could go up to properties, go to Dockers and properties, and look at this right here of your. So you really need to watch part 1 if you didn't watch part 1. But what you can also do is, and you can't use the attribute option and copy the effect because there's too many effects, but you can right click and go object styles, new from bitmap effect. And if you have this checked, I'm just going to leave the name the same and just hit OK. Now my old laptop's going to take a few seconds to run this, but what it's going to do is going to open up the object style Docker. And then in just a second, my object style Docker will pop up. My old laptop taking a little bit longer. Hopefully yours computer's faster. Normally it doesn't take this long. But anyway, we're going to be able to copy this effect into this, if you had some multiple drawings. So there it is. So we're going to, from selected, and then we're going to hit this and add to selection. Takes just a second. So what it's going to do, it's going to copy that exact quilt pattern, the blur, and the other impressionist we had. It's going to take just a second. And if you look at that, now you've got that. And you could have just copied this whole shape if you just needed another square. But if you needed it into another object or a text, you could do that right there. Now, this doesn't really make any sense to me being a laser engraver, but, and I completely stole this idea from the head educator at Corel, Roger, which is probably the most knowledgeable Corel man on the face of the earth. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.